How to download HDO Box on Samsung Smart TV. Installing the HDO Box application on a Samsung Smart TV can be challenging due to the TV's operating system limitations. Samsung Smart TVs primarily run on the Tizen OS, which doesn't natively support Android applications like HDO Box. However, you can explore the following methods to access similar content. Number 1. Use an external streaming device. Connect an external device that supports Android applications to your Samsung Smart TV. Devices such as Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV Box, or Google Chromecast with Google TV allow you to install apps like HDO Box. Steps. Purchase a compatible device. Choose a streaming device that supports Android apps. Connect to your TV. Plug the device into an available HDMI port on your Samsung Smart TV. Set up the device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network and set up your accounts. Install HDO Box. Use the device's App Store or browser to download and install the HDO Box APK. For detailed instructions, refer to the official HDO Box website. Screen mirroring from a mobile device. If you have HDO Box installed on your smartphone or tablet, you can mirror your device's screen to your Samsung Smart TV. Here are the steps. Install HDO Box on your mobile device. Download and install the HDO Box app on your Android or iOS device. Enable screen mirroring on your TV. On your Samsung Smart TV, navigate to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager, and ensure that screen mirroring is enabled. Connect your mobile device. On your mobile device, enable screen mirroring. This feature may be called Smart View on Samsung devices or screen mirroring on others, and select your Samsung Smart TV from the list of available devices. Start streaming. Once connected, open the HDO Box app on your mobile device and play the desired content. It should display on your TV. Number 3. Use a USB drive with an Android APK. Some users attempt to install Android APKs directly onto their smart TVs using a USB driver. However, this method is generally not recommended for Samsung Smart TVs due to compatibility issues and potential security risks. Note, proceed with caution if you choose this method. Ensure that the APK file is from a trusted source and be aware that this approach may not work on all Samsung Smart TV models. Alternative, explore available apps on Samsung Smart Hub. Samsung Smart Hub offers a variety of streaming applications that are officially supported and optimized for your TV. While HDO Box may not be available, you can find other apps that provide similar content. Steps. Access Smart Hub. Press the home button on your remote and navigate to Apps. Browse available apps. Use the search function to find streaming apps that meet your content preferences. Install and enjoy. Select the desired app and follow the on-screen instructions to install and start streaming. Important considerations. Security risks. Installing third-party applications from unofficial sources can expose your device to security vulnerabilities. Warranty implications. Modifying your TV software to install unsupported apps may void the manufacturer's warranty. Content legality. Ensure that the content you access complies with local laws and regulations.